Today, I will be showing you how to order a transcript from Enterprise State Community College. First, you will navigate to the home page, which is escc.edu. Then, you will click the My ESCC tab in the top left corner. After that, scroll down and click the My ESCC Students button. Enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, click the Student tab. Then, click Student Landing Page. Now, click Transcript Order Official Request. There are two options for ordering a transcript, a PDF format or a hard copy format. The pricing and payment details are listed below. For these video purposes, we will select Order PDF Transcript. Please complete the fields listed below under Student Information. Complete the Communication Information section as well. Choose a service for your transcript order, as well as when to release the transcript and your primary reason for ordering. For these video purposes, we will select For Myself. Choose a type of recipient you would like to send your transcript to. We will choose Myself again as the option. Since we have chosen to send the transcript to our personal email, it is asking to verify the email address we entered. Please review and verify all information is correct before placing your order. If any changes are needed, click the Edit button to update your information. We are unable to update orders once placed and/or completed. If the information is correct, click Go to Payment and enter your payment information. You have successfully ordered a transcript from ESCC.